What's up, guys? Boy Vino Jake here, obviously with some more content. Guys, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that sub button and that like if you guys are going to be liking this video. For today's video content, we are going to be doing more stuff to this drift build, to my 350Z. I got a good deal off Facebook Marketplace. I wish I could have got it from them directly, but it's from CCC, Crown Carbon and Crafting. Let me show you the box real quick. So I actually like them how they look. They look pretty good. They are 15 millimeters. It's more like a close to stock body width. I want to have kind of like a flush fitment. And plus I know that this car was previously hit on one of the quarter panels. So on this one, I didn't know, but the previous owner had mentioned to me that this car was in an accident or was hit. So this is all like, you know, like fiberglass resin or already as it is. But I'm gonna try to make it look like more of a better fitment. You know, it is a drift at the end of the day, so let's see how this goes. So I could have gone with the carbon fiber option, but honestly, I don't like carbon fiber where I live. Obviously, you can see that my cars are in a cooking spot, so this is what kind of happens of aftermath of owning a carbon fiber. You could probably see some sunburn spots here, so I decided to go with fiberglass. I mean, and it is more affordable at the end of the day. You could paint it at your pace. So this is kind of like a pre-setup to it already. Kind of like have it pre-mounted. Looks pretty good. Looks like a clean setup. And I'm still gonna try to see about more test fitting it. And also another thing, I'll show you. So what I've seen in a lot of videos that they don't really show you what they do behind to make this quarter panel actually fit. If you do know, if you're new to the Z game, or you don't know, they have an antenna here. So I'm gonna be taking off this quarter panel that I have right now, fiberglass, and I'm gonna be showing you what I was trying to explain, because I looked at multiple videos, many people damaging their antennas, many people just yanking them off, and then in reality you are damaging really badly the inside of the quarter panel. I mean, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter, but because a lot of people are tending to just cut the quarter panels. And I'm going to try to make an attempt to make at least a clean cut, but not too much in. I mean, at the end of the day, I already cut the bumper, so I really don't care. And I know once you go wide, you really can't go back, but you can. And keep in mind, if you guys do decide to be doing these type of cutouts, I'd like to let you know that, hold on, let me adjust my stuff because it is too dark. There you go. Keep in mind that these quarter panels are super expensive. So if you really want to go with this little wide body look or anything in general, these things are like $400 a quarter panel. Okay, so keep in mind, before you go wide, make a really wise decision. But this isn't the first time me cutting a Z, so I really don't care. And at the end of the day, it's my drift build, so you know, well, oh well. So if you're like me right now and you're currently one man teaming this, I recommend, if you can get help, get help. But if you can't, for the time being, use things that will prevent you to, you know, make it less headache. So right now I'm going to try to hold this, keep it in place. So let's get some tape. So we're going to be getting some tape. Also too, guys, this is my little office setup here. Let me know what you guys think. This is my techie desk. I love it. It's the start of everything where I had coming back from Phoenix, Arizona. So let me know what you guys think. It's pretty cool, huh? On my little setup here. S chassis. Turbo. Tuba. Nitro. Nitro. Where are you, Nitro? There you are. That's his turbo, and the little one's the little Chiweenie. Yeah, that's Nitro. So let's get started on this bad boy, my motorcycle. So my end goal is to actually end up painting all cars or similar to, oh my Jesus, I almost tried. To the same color, you know, a little color matchup. I don't know. So let me see. Does it actually start going in there? Oh yeah, you can see it now, huh? So right now, what we're doing, guys, we actually, with the help of Alex, good thing she came. We're just trying to make sure that we're fully, like, you know, at the most, you know, try to get most like how you can say, like straight to the body panel before doing any cutting. And then I'll do some, you know, some measuring real quick. Not measuring, but just some marking real quick with a marker. And we should hopefully get this little extra wide body panel I mean, it looks a little bit wider. Reality, you know. Yeah, so I don't know what you guys think. You see, it's a little bit thicker, a little bit, you know. So it's looking pretty good. Look on that side. So just gonna be a little few minor cuttings, and we should be good. Now was basically what I did yesterday. This is a different day because I had to go do a little mission trip, go somewhere else. So what I did, I make sure everything is centered in place, make sure it's riveted. Next thing, best thing to do is actually to mark it down, because the most important thing is to keep track of where you riveted last. Right now, I used to use my old-fashioned Lowe's runs and get some screws in right now, but I will be riveting it. So most importantly, first things first, I seen a lot of YouTube videos when it came to putting these crown carbon over fenders that some people don't even take off the wheel. That's super dangerous. I would recommend never to do that, because you're one small step towards the grinder and you're gonna shred your tire. And these puppies aren't really that cheap. So my thing is first to take off the tires. What we're gonna do right now, it's already jacked up on the jack. I lifted it up through the diff, give it a higher rise, throw in the jack stands. We're gonna be taking off the tire, and then we're gonna be taking off the fender. We're gonna work on this one first. Since this one is the fiberglass part, we're gonna see how badly damaged it was prior to getting it fixed. And then let's go. I'm gonna probably time-lapse part of this so you don't see me all slowly working, or maybe just cut it in pieces. Either way. Also too, energy drinks. Not good for you, but you can't live without them. Alright, let's fucking get to it. So you just gotta make sure you do keep the fender, fiberglass fender out of harm's way, because it's kind of like, not flimsy, but just, fiberglass in general tends to get destroyed fast. But we're gonna see the end results of this, see how it turns out. There's many people that have done different setups I've seen people do, so I kind of want to see what's behind here, because this isn't the original. Just kind of interested in it. Dun, 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 dun. Ay. Also too, this is pretty cool. I do want it a little bit wider and go lower. Little clearance gap. So done this once with my Rock Bunny when I had my other wide body Z. It was not cool, but fuck it, I wanted these quarter panels, so I'm gonna have them now. Plus, if I end up, when I wreck it in the track, which I hope, fingers crossed, I never do, which I probably will end up doing, you know, I could just easily swap these out. Not a problem, you know. So I don't know if you can really see, but that's a lot of old fiberglass repairing I'm gonna be taking it off soon, so we'll see how badly the damage was in reality. First, I'll go get some pants on because all these cheese spots is not being friendly to me right now. Hell yeah, I got some pants on now. Fuck it. Ah! Pretty thick. Look at that. Epa, venga. Mira cómo quedó. He's gonna freak out. That's my dad's reaction, guys, of what the fuck I'm doing with my car. Now we're gonna see how it sits with the fender flares. We're gonna try to rivet them back on. Right now we're gonna try to screw them back on. This white's not gonna go. It's gonna change to gonna get wrapped soon. This whole car is gonna get wrapped, so I really don't care. I just want to see how much it clears and how much I need to delete, more or less. So for what I see, it's like pretty good. In reality, I just probably need to delete maybe a tad shit hair right there. Yeah. That's not my problem. Woo, hot. What do you guys think? Yeah. Hot. Check it out, guys. Clean cut. Came out better than I thought. Pretty good. Look at Alex over here. Mira que no más. Queda gusto. Grabbing a little tan. She's
from Didi's discount.
Right? You're gonna turn like what to a
They're
flamme?
from Didi's discount.
What the fuck? So we're getting a tan. So guys, I ended up cutting it pretty good. I'm not gonna hammer it back up over here. Make sure it's like more of a sealant. Apply some undercoating. I can apply some undercoating right now actually. The part of the undercoating is already put in right now. I'm ready to dry a little bit. Just take out this excess tape right now. So like I said, I'm gonna get it welded right now. Just put some undercoating, make it last for the bit. Undercoat has been put on. Like I said, I'm gonna let it dry for a bit, and we're gonna be putting on the quarter panel shortly. So I couldn't find my GoPro. I don't know where I left it at. So this is, guys, this is the end finish of how it looks. It does have a little bit of gap to it. I just do need to rivet it. Just haven't gotten to it here yet. Let me know what you guys think. These are the Crown Carbon crafting oversized panels. They do give a little bit of a flare tuck out to it, so that one needs to just get riveted a little bit more on that side and we should be fine. But guys, let me know what you guys want to see next. There's more content to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. And guys, later.